Tonight, the mischievous Loop takes on a spicy challenge. Can he handle it? Our sweaty prankster loves challenges more than mango sticky rice, or so he says. The first sauce is mild, like a monk's whisper, but things will escalate quickly. He thinks it's sweet, but little does our spice-loving spirit know what awaits. The second sauce arrives, a fiery serpent hissing with chili seeds inside of it. His eyes widen, the sweat intensifies. It's like a volcano about to erupt inside him. The third sauce? Pure molten lava. It burns hotter than a dragon's morning breath. He is now a human or ghost. Inferno. Can any amount of water save his poor soul? Defeated, our spicy spirit admits defeat. Hot sauce nung pi talok soon. Time for ice cream. Even ghosts have their limits. Subscribe and share for more spicy spectral shenanigans.